So I'm going to swap this Craftsman engine onto this Lawnboy deck. At least I'm going to try. We'll see if it can even be done. The reason why I'm swapping it is because this deck is just rusted so bad. It's just gotten dangerous. But this Craftsman motor is terrific. It just keeps running and running, and it runs strong. Whereas this motor that was on this Lawnboy has always been terrible. It's always been hard to start. It just hasn't ran very well. I'll never buy a Lawnboy again, but the deck has held up.
What's rough? I hope you really dig this video. Please subscribe to the Psychoto channel. Do it.
So I loosen this. Just gotta unscrew that. Okay. This is the Lawnboy. Ah, there we go. This is for the self-propelled drive. This is the Sears Craftsman. Now I'm just going to loosen this to loosen the engine, except I think I'm going to unhook the cables first. That should come right out of there. And since that was loose, I was able to pull that out. Comes right off now, but my mower wants to tip over, so I gotta put some weight on this end so I can move it all. Put some seltzer water up there, now it won't tip over. This deck still looks pretty good. I'll just be sure to clean it before I put on the other motor here. Time to remove the Craftsman motor. I sanded this a little because there was some rust building up there, and I'm going to spray paint it just to give it at least a quick coat. I don't know if it'll help, but if it helps hold the deck up another 6 months or a year, it'll be worth it. This thing might even look kind of sharp. Red on green. Just gonna have to make sure that I'll be able to put this thing on. Maybe I should do that first. I'm going to see if the old Lawnboy one fits, because if it does, I'll need to use that. For the smaller blade, it has a different adapter. Wonder if it's supposed to be that loose. Well, the only way to know is to try the one that came with it, with the motor. Yeah, that one's loose too. So I guess that's just the way they are. Both these pulleys they're about the same exact size. So, well, this one had wider lips, but same width, so that shouldn't be a problem engaging the self-propel. For this thing, this is what was originally on the Lawnboy, so I'm gonna have to use it because it's the only thing that really protects the pulley here. It's like, change now. Okay, I'm right now. Ready there. I'm gonna fish this up. It's fine. I did the oil change. I'm gonna put on the blade right now, and then I think tomorrow I'll start it up. Okay, my main problem now is that the cable for this Lawnboy is not gonna make it. I'm ending up using the cable from the Craftsman. There we go. That'll work. Okay, so I drilled the pilot hole here, and this is where this is going to go. This is from the Craftsman. I got it, I think, at the right spot where it's going to pull it just the perfect amount to speed up the mower to top speed if need be. See if that does. Okay. There. Now that's in, I can insert this. Here we go. Hopefully that will work good. I'll use a couple plastic ties to tie it to the handle so it doesn't get loose, and we should be good. I'm going to give it an oil change. Then I'll put the blade on, and then I'll start it up. Okay, that's how you go from taking a Craftsman motor and putting it on a Lawnboy deck. And I'm going to start it up and see how it runs. Okay, it's the final countdown. Let's see if we should start up. I knew it was a good engine. I haven't started that for at least a year. It might have been 2 years because it's been sitting on that old rotten rusty deck. I'm going to have my son mow the backyard, and I'll show you what the backyard looks like, and then I'll show you what it looks like after he mows. I forgot to mention that the Self-Propelled works just great. There, my son mowed the lawn yesterday with the mower and it worked great. So now I don't have to buy a new mower. That's awesome. That'll save me a few $100s.
Just click here to subscribe to the Psychoto channel. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already. Why don't you?